Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an image gallery to your hosting or website. This tutorial will guide you step by step so you can display your images professionally and make your website more engaging. To start, open your preferred web browser and go to the hosting or homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to make website management simple and intuitive. Once you're ready, look for the Login button and click it. Logging in is essential because it gives you access to your personalized dashboard where you can manage your websites and add new sections like an image gallery. After signing in, navigate to your hosting control panel. Here, you'll find an overview of your hosting account and all the websites you've created. From the control panel, click on the Websites section. This will display a list of your projects. Select the website where you want to add the gallery. Next, click Edit Website. This opens the website editor where you can modify content, layout, and design elements. Once in edit mode, look for the Add Section option. Clicking it will open a menu with several section types you can add. From the list, choose Gallery. The Gallery section is specially designed to showcase multiple images in a clean and attractive layout. Once added, it will appear in your editor and you can customize it as needed. You can adjust the layout, upload images, and change settings to match your website's style. And that's it! You've successfully added an image gallery to your hosting or website. This feature is a great way to enhance your site's visual appeal and engage your visitors. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.